Good afternoon, dear students. So welcome to our RVM classes. In today's classes, fourth standard. So I will teach that fourth standard. So remaining chapter. So chapter fifth divisions. Students in a division. Today we are going to learn that is exercise 5E. That is F. 5F means. So in the last classes, in previous classes, we have discussed already. So that up to 5 to E questions are completed. In today's classes, exercise 5F. So 5F means students want to open the page number 63. So page number 63, students, that is the page number 63, that is exercise 5F. Exercise 5F. Students, what is the first main? So that is given to first main what? Work out of tell the approximate, that is approximate, you tell to approximate result or approximate numbers. Students, just you want to recall that in previous class, that is estimation. So estimation means that is the nearest numbers. So estimation means that is the nearest numbers, friends. Nearest number of estimation. So estimations means, so that is what. So first question, what is the first mean? You know that work out of the 10 total approximate. So first you have to recall the statement in that is estimation. So estimations means that is approximate result. Just examples, that is 8. So nearest 10 means, so that is the nearest 10, the number of the 8 means, so this is 8 is a 5 after numbers, students, that weak numbers and less numbers you have to just recall. So that is like weak numbers means, so given questions, the first name. So what is the meaning of the estimation means? So it is very much that is necessary. Work out of the approximate answers when we added that subtract divide by multiple. So one best examples. So already I told that is the 24. That is the 24 nearest 10 means. So that is the 20 because the 24. 4 is that is weak numbers. So you have to just recall that weak numbers and strong numbers. Students, you know that work. So first name. The work out of and tell the total approximate the question one, the work out of and tell total approximately. So that is question 48 plus 76 plus 38. So question is what here? The question number 1. students. So now questions. Now question 48 plus 76 plus 38 is equal to dash. So next, so given to, so in the first means given to 3 questions, I will in one. So next remaining questions, how to solve to your home students. The question here, work out of and tell the totally approximate. The totally approximate means, so students suggest you have to mean that is a 48. 48 is the nearest tens. Nearest tens means you have to consider that is the number 8. So 8 is that is a strong number because that 8 is a 5 octets. So you have to take this is a consider for this is a 50. So 76, yes, you have to consider 80 because the 6 is a 5 octet number because 6 is a stronger numbers. Yes. So next question what in 38 it is a 40. Students have to count 80 plus 40 that is 120, 120 plus 50. So that is the result is 170. So what is the approximate answer of 48, 76, 38 is equal to the approximate result is that is 170. Yes. So next question, what is the next means? So next is a, so given 37. So next questions in this main 37, 38 and 19. So students in 38, so that is the nearest of the 10 you have to consider, that is a 40. So 38 you have to consider again 40. So 19 is given, so that is a 20. We count to that all. So that 40, 40, 80, 80 plus that 20, that is a 100. So this is the second one answer approximate, that is a 100. Okay, students. So already I will show to this question. In the next main, I will show to one question. So next I will show to in the next how to go to. Now we are going to learn in the next question, that is a subtract that mentally by rounding to the nearest friends. That is second main what? So subtract that is mentally by rounding to nearest tens. Rounding to nearest tens. So questions. So what is the first question? 368 minus 199. So question is what? That is subtracted mentally by rounding to nearest tens. Nearest tens means you have to consider the nearest tens. Students, nearest tens, this is 68. 68 once tens is 68, but you have to consider only this number. Here also consider per here that is a 1 plus this number. So 8 is the stronger number, 9 is the stronger number because, so first you have to write an answer. This is 3 is 3. This is what students? So this is a 70 because the 68 is the nearest 10, it is a 70. So next question. So 1 you have to write because it's 100. 99. Students don't write to the 99. Already I 100 because this is a 200. So subtracted 170. The result will be 170. So that is what the result. In second main, second is 170. So this is the next question, students. In this main, so again I will show the next question, that is B. 89, 189 minus 99 is equal to that. Students, how to solve for this question? So first you have to 189. 189 means this is nearest. First you have to this nearest tens. Nearest tens means you have to consider 1 and 9 and 8. So this is 89. Here once the tens, this is a 99. Students, can you think this? Because that 189, 1 is on to write for your table, that is 1. 89 means that is 90. So 99, you know, that is the nearest 100 because just you have to 1 add in 99, that is the result is 100. So you have to write for your 100. Students, you know, that is a 90. What is the? So what is the answer? So 189 minus 99, you have to first I will return that, I will already return. So nearest tens means 189 is the nearest 10, that is a 190. So 99 nearest tens, that is a 100. So how do I will do the subtraction? What is the remaining of the 180 minus 100? Remaining to result, that is a 90 because this is answer will be 90. Okay. So next main, circle the students, circle the correct answers in the next main. So next circle the third name. Circle the correct answer. Students, given that multiple choice questions, so 76 into 6. So you already know you have to do multiple 6 is the 36. You have to carry 6 is 7 to 42, 42 plus 45. Students, what is the first one? So this is A1 question. This is a how to tick. First one is the correct. You know that we already given the first answer 456. Second option is 356. Third option is 254. And fourth option is 232. So what is the result? So this is the first one. So we call that 456 is the first one result. Yes, students, in the next question. So that is same to in 54 into 5. So which one options is correct? In the B1 question, the third one in B1, 54 into 5. So 54 into 5, that is a 270, because that fourth one options is correct. So next in C, 33 into 8. The next question is what, students? Next question, 33 into 8. 33 into 8 means that is which one options is correct? So next option C is, so that is 264. That is because the two options is the fourth is correct. This is the first one. In B1 answer, 200. B1 answer is, that is the fourth one, 270. C1 is 234. Students, in the next question is very easy. Divide. So divide in previous classes. So divide means 4th may in divide. So very easy. 76 divided 6. What is the result, students? You know 6 is a division. First we have to arrange the numbers. So first we have to take in one digit. 6 ones are 6. So minus 1. So 16 have to take down. 6 twos are 12. So remaining 0, students. So we can observe for this what is the result. So result will be, quotient is what? The quotient is 1. The remainder is 0, 4. Students want that quotient is what? The quotient is 12. The remainder is 4. This is very easy questions. BIC I will give to homework because this exercise is incomplete exercise. F is very easy. So in each means, so I will show two questions and three questions already I will explain. So now I will go to exercise 5G. So this is some different question, students. Exercise 5Z. So can you observe in this? Exercise 5G. So this question is, that is a simplification involving. So this is simplification that involving for that 4 fundamental operations. Just you have to recall, students. That is 4 operations means that is O, D, M, A, S. So this is O means not off. D is a, students, O is a off. D is division. It is the fundamental operations. So M is multiplication. So A is addition. S is subtraction. Students, in exercise 5G, so this is what simplifications. The simplification that involving for especially four fundamental operations. The four fundamental operations. This is divisions. First, you have to use the in board mass rule. First, students complete is board mass, but only in inverse analysis you have to go to in the next in higher classes. This is simplification that is considered for that is a board mass rule. But in your syllabus given only that is a four fundamental rules, especially four fundamental operations means that is a division, multiplication. So A is a addition, next is a S is a subtraction. These symbols you will use, you have to subtract, and you will use that these four symbols you have to apply or you will use in solve two exercises. Students, you don't forget DMAS, that is a dear mother and sister. Just is a code you don't forget, students. So that is the DMAS, dear mother and sister. Yes. So I will solve two questions. So can you see for the question exercise from C solve. So first 16 into 8 divided 4. Students, 16 into 8 divided 4. How to you solve? But you have to apply this is a rule DMAS. These four fundamental rules, especially DMAS. Students, can you observe this symbols is given first multiplication, next is the division. But you have to these two numbers multiple. That is the wrong method because you use this is the four fundamental rules. So students, can you observe here? So off is not given. What is the first symbol? Division. Yes. First thing is two number you will do with the division. So 16. The first steps you have to write 16 into 8 divided 4 means. So first means students, first 16 into this first steps you have to clear because first what is the first symbol? That is the division. That's the division symbols first you have to do the clears. So here students 8 4 is 8. The remaining is what is it for here? That you have to write for here too. So next one students these two numbers you have to multiply. 16 to the 32. What is the result? So 32 is the result. So this is a simplification. So we will use the four fundamental operations. So next question, can you observe students? In a second, 801 plus 570 divided 90 minus 50 of 8. Students, of you have to take that is a multiplication. So of is a how to consider that is multiplication. Students, first you have to write in solution. The first step was to use the 801 plus 570 divided 90 minus 15. Of means that is you have to consider in that is multiplication. Students, so first symbol is given addition, next is that what? Division, next subtraction, next multiplication. So rule is what? So first you have to follow the first steps in divisions. So division is where first steps is how to clear. So first you have to write in 801 plus. So 57 divided 19. Students, that is 57 divided 19. So 19 threes are 57. 19 threes are 57. What is the result here? 0, 0. So down you taken that here after 0. What is the quotient, students? 30. Because that 570 divided 19. What is the result? That is a 30. You have to write 30. So next step or next symbol you have to write in as it is minus 15 into 8. Students, can you observe the division is clear. So what is the next symbol? Multiplication. Where is their multiplication, students? So here is the multiplication. So now you have to solve this here. 801 plus 30 minus 15 8s are, students, the 15 8s are 120. So I have to write here minus 120. So the division afterwards multiplication, multiplication afterwards addition. Yes, students, you have to now addition. This two number will do the addition. 831 minus 130, because the 801 plus 130, so that is it. Sorry students, this is 120. So 1 of 831 minus 120 is subtract to the 711. So 1 830, 120. So here 1. So next one is 7. So that is 711, because the 831 minus 220. For students, compulsory this rule, especially the fundamental rules. First, this DMARS, dear mother and sister, this rule compulsory not apply and you follow the, you have to simplify these questions. In especially this types of questions in given exercise 5G, especially 5G, you have to follow in this types. Okay. So students, in the next question, third and fourth, I will give two homework. So now I will talk to in again the fifth one question. Can you see in fifth one question? Six thousand plus 9,000 divided 500 into office into, so 6 minus 200. Sorry, 2,000. Yes, 2,000 students. Okay, so next question. Students, what is the first steps? What is the rule of DMAS? So first you have to division. So first these two number you have to do the division, students. That is what. So, so next 900. Sorry, 9,005 division. So 500 is 500. So remaining 4. So next is 0. So next you have to take that. That is 9 0 0. If I not 8 yes, that is 8 student, that is 18. So I have to take for 6,000 plus 18 into 60,000. So next question, 6,000. This two multiple 18 6 that is 48. That is 108 minus 200. This two number will be in addition. 6,108 minus 2,000. What is the remaining the result? Students, but in this rule, first you have to, this two numbers have to take on the multiple first. So complete you have to take the multiple in 1 second, students. But off is given. So 1 second, students. Off is given. First you have to, this number is this. First you have to multiply these two numbers, because you have to write in velocity. So 500 into 30, that is 3,000 minus 200. because that is a rule is first half we have to take, that is a rule. Okay, so next 6000 plus, now to divide. So this zero cancel, this cancel, this zero cancel, this cancel, this zero cancel, this 3 ones are 3, 3 3 7. Result is 3. So minus 2000. This two number first you have 6003 minus 2000. So the result is lost. That is 4003 is students. 4003 is the answers. Students, 1 second I will repeat. Now I will explain. So can you see? So fifth question is what? So 6000 plus 9000 divide 500 off 6 minus 2000 students. So off means you have to take the first rule. The rule of the in operation of the board must means first off numbers is first you have to clear, afterwards you have to work the divisions. So given here off means first I will do the multiple. So 500 into 6, 500 into 6 because that is a 3000. So 3000 I written. So in the off afterwards what is the symbol? Division, because it's two number I will do the division. What is the remaining of the result? That is the remaining is 3. So in a division afterwards we have to go to multiplication, but we are not given the multiplication symbol. So multiplication afterwards what symbol? That is because that these two numbers I will do the addition. What is the result? 6003. So afterwards the last rule, that is subtracted, because 6000 minus 200, so remaining answer the result is 4000. Students, in the next. In this last question I will show to in this exercise in 10th one. Can you see? So that is the remaining questions you solve in your own. That is the 10th question. Six nine 6,699 divided by 3. 3000 plus 3075 divided by 25. So minus 200. What is the students, you know what is the rule of the bonus? First divide. These two number first, because that 33. 33 2s are 66. 0 0 0. Next two numbers are taken at a time and down. So let me not write the quotient to 0. 33 3s are. Students, what is that? Because this complete is not right, 203. The first step is already clear, 203. Next, students. So what is the next? Plus this steps. So 75, 25. 25 ones are 25, remaining 5, here 0. So next is 55. 55 2s are 50, 7, 0, 75. 75, 75 3. Sorry, 25 3s are. So what is that? So because I have to write, students, you know, 3075. What is the result? What is the remaining? So remaining is sorry, quotient you have to consider, that is the result, because 123. Next minus 203. So next, can you see students what is the next step? So because you know that is the next, what is the rule? So next rule is the multiplication, but we are not given multiplication afterwards addition. Yes, these two numbers do addition. So 3 3 6 0 plus 2 2 3 plus 1 3. Sorry, 2 plus 1 3 minus 203. Students, what is the remaining result? So 3 2 1. So that is 1 3. That is the result. So what is the 326 minus 203? So that is 123. Students, I hope that we all are understood in this exercise pi u, e, pi u, f and g. That is pi e, I will just apply to estimations rule. But in G means you have to apply, that is a simplification of the fundamental operations in O, especially D, M, A, R, S. So already I solved to some questions. Students, in the next, what is the remaining worksheet? Worksheet do, that is yourself. So tomorrow or in next classes, I will teach you to, that is new lesson. Okay, students. Thank you. So next classes I will take to continue in a, that is I will start to in a new chapters. Okay.